د موټر نه کوزه شه. Get up the car. Get up the car. تا ته څنګه پته لګیږي؟ How do you know? How do you know? آیا ته ټوخیږې؟ Do you have a cap? Do you have a cap? بانې مه جوړوه. Don't make excuses. Don't make excuses. ما ته په تمه شه. Wait for me. Wait for me. هغه په کور کې نشته. He is not at home. He is not at home. زه دا نشم کولی. I can't do it. I can't do it. ما سره وخت نشته. I don't have time. I don't have time. زه له تا سره واده کوم. I promise to you. I promise to you. دا ډیر زیات دی. It is too much. It is too much. زه دا یو غواړم. I want this one. I want this one. په الله باور ولره. په الله یقین ولره. Have faith in God. Have faith in God. دا د چا لپاره دی؟ Who is this for? Who is this for? زمانه هیر شو. I forgot. I forgot. ایا زه یو څه ویلی شم؟ Can I say something? Can I say something? زه په دې وخت کې مصروف یم. I am busy at the moment. I am busy at the moment. ما ته وګوره. Look at me. Look at me. هغه لمبو وهل نه دي زده یا هغه ته لمبو نه ورځي. He doesn't know how to swim. He doesn't know how to swim. هغه ته لمبو وهل نه ورځي. ته زما خبره ولې نه اورې؟ Why don't you listen to me? Why don't you listen to me? تېره ورځ مې نیکه وفات شو یا مړ شو. My grandpa passed away last day. My grandpa passed away last day. ډېر مخکې. ډېر پخوا. A long time ago. A long time ago. زه تا پیژنم. غورې مه کوه. Don't brag. I know you. Don't brag. I know you. څه نوې تازه؟ What's up? What's up? ستا مطلب څه دی؟ What do you mean? What do you mean? موږ نه لاره ورکه شوې ده. We have lost our way. We have lost our way. زه او داس کومه. I am getting ablution. I am getting ablution. دا موټر د چا دی؟ Whose car is this? Whose car is this? غیبت مه کوه. Don't backbite. Don't backbite.